Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to sync iPhone with iPad. Let's get started. First is sign in with the same Apple ID. On the both devices, go to settings, then tap your name at the top. Then make sure both devices are signed in with the same Apple ID. Step 2 is enable iCloud sync. Go to settings, then your name, then iCloud, then toggle it in the items you want to sync: photos, contacts, calendars, notes, reminder, Safari. Make sure both devices have Wi-Fi enabled. The next is on iCloud, tap Photos, then enable iCloud Photos on both devices. All your photos will automatically appear on your iPad when connected to Wi-Fi. And after that, in settings, go to your name, then go to iCloud. Then scroll to the iCloud backup. Tap backup now on your iPhone. On iPad, restore the same iCloud backup during setup. Or apps will sync automatically if purchased with the same Apple ID. For selected files or photos, turn on AirDrop on both devices. Select the file on iPhone, then tap Share, then AirDrop, then iPad. Then tap Accept on iPad. Your iPhone and iPad are now synced. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.